Hey everyone, and welcome to day 37 of our Command 66 Day Challenge. So today we are going to jump into designs. It's still currently named Sketchhouse here in Command, but it will be incurring a name change to designs. So if you hear either one of those terms, this is what we're talking about. So this is where you're going to be able to design really awesome marketing pieces for social media or print marketing, soon to be email campaigns and landing pages. So we are going to jump into there today, and we're going to talk about creating your brand kit in here. So how we're going to get into designs is your plus sign down here. If you click on that and just choose social or print. So I'm going to choose social and create template. And you might be prompted to log in here. I'm in an incognito window, so I know it does that to me every time with that. All right, so what we are going to look at is creating your brand kit. So that's something that is just going to make it really easy for you to create marketing pieces quickly. You want this to be something that you can leverage in the sense that it shouldn't take a bunch of your time to create a nice looking graphic to post across your social media platforms or to print out for a flyer for an open house or anything like that. It should be something you can throw together quickly but doesn't look like it's just thrown together. And so that's the purpose of this. You've got over 400 plus different templates to choose from through the social and print areas. So if you click through these, you will see that you've got open house templates here, and we're on Facebook ones. But if I choose Instagram, they're going to get to that little square that Instagram likes. We've got Instagram stories here as well, so if you utilize that. And then you've got LinkedIn and Twitter. So all of these categories on the left side are going to have each social media platform graphics optimized for their size, so you can get in there and create something with those. But first today we're going to talk about the brand kit. So on the bottom left, click Add to Library. So this information should pull over from your marketing profile, and if you've been doing the challenge, I know you've got the profile set up, but we have found some errors in information pulling over. So what I would do is just make sure all of this information is filled out for you here, because this is going to allow quick autofills into your graphics to be able to make them compliant really quickly. You'll go over to text to the right of that, and then you've got places to put a slogan, tagline, anything like that. It popped my bio into the slogan or tagline, whichever one the second one is, and I don't know that I'm going to put my bio on anything, but that's something you could delete, and you could put a tagline you have. I actually put our disclaimer in this one on the top. There is a place to grab it so you don't have to type it every time, but I liked where this showed up, so we'll look at that in our challenge about why I thought that might be just quicker to have it there. You'll navigate over to images, and it should pull over your headshot here. So if you've got multiple ones that you utilize, you can add more. And if you have maybe some certain backgrounds that you use in a lot of your just standard marketing that you do, that you might use often, you can add those here. So you'll just click on these plus signs and upload them directly from your computer. If you go over to logos, so if this is your first time in designs, you probably just have the one KW Cleveland logo from your marketing profile. I wouldn't recommend using that one because they require it to be that weird 360 by 360 square to be able to upload to your marketing profile. So what I would do is I actually sent an email out the end of last week with all of the transparent versions of the logo, so you can upload all of these here, and you'll only have to upload them once. If you've got different team logos, you can also upload those here. So you can use this logos area. You've got 4 spaces here, and this icons area, and just click the plus sign and upload the logos so that you've got them in there for your use. And then brand kit. So if you go to the right, So this is just allowing you to create marketing materials much faster by adding the colors that you use most frequently, so that you can just select them. So kind of like if you're using Word or something and your most recently used colors are going to show up. So it's just allowing these to show up quickly for you there. And you also have the ability to upload custom fonts. If you're like me, that's something I actually love, is that. So I think the ability to do that is really cool in here. However, I don't think that I know last week it wasn't currently working yet, so you can definitely try it and see if that has changed, because Command is constantly evolving for us. So I know that it was working to actually upload them, but they weren't appearing when you went to create a design. So I just wanted to clarify that. So go through here and fill out all of this information, get it ready for yourself and set up so that as we create designs this week in our challenge, you will be able to just do it quickly and throw together some really nice looking stuff and not have to, continue to upload a logo or upload your photo or type out the disclaimer, anything like that. So that is all for our day 37 challenge. Thanks for watching.